All right, so I finally got the Diode Dynamics SSC2 lights installed. They turned out awesome. Big shout out to Andrew at Rex Overland in Arvada, Colorado. He did all the custom fab work for these guys. We ended up cutting into the front fascia and making some brackets that attached to two, I think, 15 millimeter bolts, and had to do a little bit of cutting. I saw somebody do this with 3-inch pods on a Raptor in, I think, the European market somewhere, and behind the fascia ended up being a little bit different. I'll make a video on the install process and the cutting that had to happen to get these on there. But they've got the amber backlight feature, and now I'm just waiting on some brackets to install the ditch lights. But I'll do another video too to kind of show what the lighting ends up looking like. But these are a spot on the inside lights and a combo lens on the outside. And the idea was to just try to get as much of an OEM look as possible. And so far, everyone that's seen them asked if they came from the factory that way, so that makes me pretty happy. So the idea is to put two of these SSC2 pods So here's where we're at. Bracket is going to attach to these, come flat across, create a mounting surface for these SSC2s. Then we'll cut out a hole in this little rubberized plastic piece. This ended up being the bracket. Gets mounted right there. And there's a little bit of an offset on the lights to just keep them flush with the bumper.